Hey everyone, it's Brendan. Just wanted to give you a quick little demonstration of this Python file that grabs Wi-Fi credentials. So what I'm going to do is you can put this on any distribution that has Python installed on it. I believe it's 2.7 or above. And I'm just going to double click on this. The system is going to run it. Looks like it created all the different output files that have all of the output code in the files are going to list the SSID. Let's go into one of these that I don't mind showing you. This is I'm going to double click this file and open up the XML file. So this Python program creates XML file output, and it's going to give you the name of the WLAN, basically the wireless local area network profile name of the SSID. So it's going to show you the name of the Wi-Fi network, the connection type, as you can see, connection mode, and in the security, it grabs the what's called the key material is the actual password that I use to connect to this Wi-Fi network. So it creates these XML files that basically show you every sort of bit of Wi-Fi network configuration key pairs and essentially all the attributes that we're looking to grab from this program. I'll give you the program in the file section of this group. This group is on Facebook. It's called Intelligence Tech Gurus, and you can find that on Facebook. If you want to subscribe to this channel for more goodies like this, feel free to keep updated and feel free to contact Brendan with more tips and tricks on hacking and getting to know how to use computing technology for intelligence gathering and hacking and so on and so forth. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, and I'm wishing you luck in your future endeavors. Thank you.